Alumni Database Management System. Abstract. The main aim of the project is to build an interaction between alumni, admin, and the students, a system that will be able to manage alumni data of a college and provide easy access to the same. The alumni will also be interested to maintain relations with their institutions. Alumni can communicate to the students regarding job opportunities, and the students can share the department technology activities to the alumni. The alumni and the student can communicate only through the admin permission. A system that will be able to manage alumni data of a college and provide easy access to the system. Final year students will be initially given a student login ID. Access to the system can help them in building connections to their projects or for placements. The system will automatically list all alumni information, name, passing year, company currently working in, and their status will be transferred from the student module to the alumni module. Keyword: database, login, online, web-based. Introduction. The greatest asset any institution can have is the alumni system. Alumni are the people who represent the institution in the real world. Alumni website is created for the students that have graduated from the institution. This is an online website that allows former students to take advantage of the benefits and services that an institution offers after graduation. The alumni network is becoming important in the development of the institution because of their vast potential that benefits both the institution and the students. There are many benefits for being an alumni member of a college or institution. Some of these benefits are: keeping a person informed on the events that are organized by the institution, and when some important events are going to be held in the institution. Another benefit is that the information concerning a former student can easily be received and other members of the alumni community can be located without much stress. The student and alumni can communicate with each other. 2. Literature survey. A. Existing system. The existing system is a computerized system but which is maintained at individual databases i.e. in Excel sheets. It's a time delay process. And maintaining all the records in Excel sheets is difficult. If they want any record, they have to search all the records. It doesn't provide multiple user accessibility and also doesn't have different user privileges. Professor T.R. Shinde, Lecturer, Department of Information Technology, Pimpri Chinchwad Polytechnic, Pune. So the system is not accessible for all the employees of the organization. B. Limitations in existing system. The current system is not completely computerized and manual system in entering students and staff data and handling it. There is no centralized database maintenance. There is no easy access to the particular student's record. The student cannot easily navigate through the database. C. Proposed system. The proposed system is a computerized system but which is maintained at centralized databases, i.e. in automated forms. It's a very fast process. And maintaining all the records in online systems database, which makes it very easy to access and retrieve data from the database. If they want any record they can easily search all the records. It provides multiple user accessibility and also has different user privileges. So the system is accessible for all the employees of the organization. D. Advantages over existing system. It is completely automated system in handling the college database. This system provides centralized database maintenance. The system provides easy access to the particular alumni account or his/her complete details. The system provides student to easily navigate through the application for more information in a most secure manner. 4. Applications. Alumni helps institutes strategically build and manage their alumni network, by facilitating engagement, community building, networking, communications and giving back. With our online website, your alumni data can be centralized and combined with a host of exciting front-end member modules and time-saving, back-end administration tools. It will also be important to the NBA, National Board of Accreditation, activities that are going to take place in our college. V. Methodology. As this is a complete online website, there are 2 techniques: front-end and back-end. Front-end means the design of the website or the designing interface of the web application. Programming languages coming under front-end, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Your backend means server-side programming. It communicates the client interface with the database and the logic control. Programming languages coming under backend, PHP, JavaScript, etc. Also Bootstrap and CSS are used for design purpose. 6. Conclusion. Reduces manual work. It is time-saving. Efficient way of managing the alumni data. No need of paperwork as everything is online. 7. Acknowledgement. The successful completion of any task would be incomplete, without the mention of people who are foremost, We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our research supervisors who has in the literal sense, guided and supervised us. Their guidance deserves much more than the credit on the successful completion of our project, and also for giving us an opportunity to implant our skills and for providing the required help and cooperation to complete the report. We are indebted with a deep sense of gratitude for the constant inspiration and valuable guidance throughout the work. We are humbly thankful to Professor T.R. Shinde, HOD, Depth of Information Technology, for providing us a proper guidance and high bandwidth round the clock responsible for the completion of this work.